The adjective austere has 4 uses. Plain and simple in a positive sense. The church had an austere beauty with its plain wooden benches and whitewashed walls. Strict and serious in a negative sense. The headmaster's austere manner intimidated the students, making them afraid to speak. Simple and without luxuries. After retiring, she chose an austere lifestyle, living in a simple cottage and growing her own food, drastically reducing people's life standards in terms of economic policy. The government implemented austere measures that led to widespread job cuts and reduced public spending. Can you think of an example sentence using austere? Put your ideas in the comments.